the growing geopolitical rivalry in Indian Ocean, analyzing China, Russia, and great power dynamics. The Indian Ocean region (IOR) is rapidly becoming a hotspot for great power competition as China, Russia, and the West vie for influence. China's expansive economic interests and military maneuver, especially through its Belt and Road Initiative, are reshaping the balance of power. Its strategic partnership with countries like Pakistan, Cambodia, and Djibouti are bolstered by military base and joint naval exercises. Russia similarly is increasing its presence through port deal and joint exercise with China and Iran. These two powers aim to challenge the current geopolitical order dominated by Western influence, particularly the United States. Strategic naval exercise and military expenses. In recent years, China and Russia have regularly conducted joint naval exercises in the Indian Ocean, symbolizing their growing cooperation. Notably, in 2023, Russia and China and Iran conducted drill in the Gulf of Oman, a significant signal to the West. Such exercise, while framed as effort to ensure maritime security, are clearly aimed at increasing strategic coordination and sending a message to Western powers. This naval maneuver also highlighted the growing presence of China's People's Liberation Army (PLA Navy) and Russia's increasing focus on the quest for military base in the Indian Ocean. Both China and Russia are actively seeking to establish forward military base in the Indian Ocean is solidify their presence. China's base in Djibouti and its interest in Gwadar, Port Pakistan, as well as its access to Cambodia's Ream naval base, are part of its broader strategic outreach. Russia, while facing economic and military strength due to its conflict in Ukraine, is attempting to secure a base port Sudan, which would enhance its influence in the region. However, internal conflict in Sudan have complicated Moscow's efforts, limiting its ability to expand military in the Indian Ocean. Conclusion: the future of Indian Ocean geopolitics. As China and Russia expand their military footprints and economic ties across the Indian Ocean, the region is likely to witness further geopolitical tension.